Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream using whipping cream, only way. Start by chilling a metal bowl and beaters. Pour cold whipping cream into the bowl, add a tablespoon of sugar if you want sweetness. Then whip at medium speed until soft peaks form, watching closely to avoid overwhipping. Stop when texture is smooth and holds shape, then chill briefly before serving. Enjoy with fruit or desserts. I prefer using heavy whipping cream for the richest results. Chill ingredients and tools thoroughly first. Use an electric mixer at medium speed, scraping down the sides periodically, and watch for soft then medium peaks. If you want stabilized cream, fold in a teaspoon of gelatin dissolved in water or use a small amount of cream cheese. Adjust sugar to taste and serve immediately for best texture. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's compact for recipe browsing while cooking and perfect for kitchen breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals and support methods you enjoy. I appreciate your support, and it lets me make more helpful food guides. Now let's get back to the video. To avoid overwhipping, stop when peaks hold but still move slightly and test with your spoon. If you accidentally make butter, gently fold back in a little cold cream to recover some softness. Chilling can help. Store fresh cream in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours, and always re-whip briefly before serving if it loosens. Avoid adding flavorings early, fold them in at the end to keep texture light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.